Welcome to Twichler Nonwovens here at ITMA. Welcome to the exciting world of needle punch technical textiles. Welcome to our world of Suprema. And to learn what Suprema is, let me contact our expert. Please come with me. This is Oliver. Please tell our audience what Suprema is.
Hello Jutta, I will do with pleasure. Suprema is a brand in which cooperation partner Technology and Twichler offer complete manufacturing lines for needle punch, machines, global service and additionally smart tools. Suprema makes products like, for example, geotextiles, automotive, visible and non-visible parts for automotive, durable consumer products like acoustics, and, for example, as well, artificial leather. Suprema is combined with T1, which makes needle punching smart. But let's go now to reality, to running machines at Technology.
Bienvenuti a Technology. You realized we changed places. We are now at our partner Technology's booth. The Suprema line has been running here with the cross slapper and the needle loom by Technology at the amazing speed of 130 meters per minute. It's a quiet line. You still can talk when it's running at full speed. Good thing is we are very similar, Technology and Twichler. Technology is a family business with strong family values, just as Twichler is. And Technology is a company mastering the art of engineering, just as Twichler does. So I think we are a congenial team, and we are really looking forward to the Suprema experience. Thank you.